You can see my screen, right?
Yes.
Yeah, so I created like some of the other positions as well. I mean, just as you said, to make some extra.
Yeah, and I asked you guys to create 10 records, right? 10 position records. So were you guys able to do that?
I just added few, like four of them, four more after the.
Okay. What about others? Okay. So let's go and add some new fields. Okay. So now we are going to add additional field. Now you can see, go to, wait. Yeah. Go to gear icon. Yeah. Click on this. You will see edit object. Yeah. This is the place from where directly you can reach to your object manager and the position object will be open. Click on that. This is the shortcut. Okay. Now go to fields and relationship. Now we are going to add field for location. So suppose my company is having offices in various locations. So I'll put those as a pick list so that the user who is creating the record can select it. So please choose pick list. Pick list is the drop down list which will be shown. Yeah. Please go to next. Please give it a name as location. And in values, check the second one. Yeah, provide the values like San Francisco, any place where you think your offices are. So you can put there London, New York, Sydney, Tokyo, anything where you think your offices are, Mumbai, India as well. So if you think you are having offices in multiple locations, you can put those names. Okay. And you can also see use first value as default value. So we'll put first value as default value as our head office is in San Francisco. And we will simply save it and create new field for the status.
A location available for the for the opening, right?
Yes. Where we generally have the offices, right? And there only we hire. So I have offices in multiple locations.
Should I take this?
No, that's it.
Okay.
Don't make it required.
Default?
What? Next,
Default for, okay.
yeah, that will be next 7 new. Now we are going to create one more pick list for the status. So what is the current status? So give it a name, status. Again, the second one, check. Second ready button. Yeah. Now the status will be either it will be a new position. Then next should be pending approval. Then next should be open approved, open hyphen approved, open dash approved. Then closed filled, closed hyphen filled,
Field?
filled. When you fill any position, right? When any position is filled, then we write fill. Yeah, filled. Filled. Put it in as filled. Yeah. Then closed, not approved, closed hyphen not approved. And closed, next will be closed hyphen cancelled. So why we are having these all day? The thing is, if there is any new position, what happens when someone is creating the new position? Immediately the hiring does not start. After certain approvals only, the position is available in the market, right? And that gets open, right? So that's why whenever someone is creating the position, we are going to keep new position. Then pending approval, that means the approval is pending. Open approved, that means it got approved and it's open, and now the recruiter will start looking for the candidate for this position. Closed field, after few days the HR or the recruiter finds the right candidate and the position is now closed filled. Closed not approved, there are certain things, budget constraint or any other constraint due to which the approval is not given for any position, right? Closed cancel. Closed cancel means they were expecting some project for which they were planning to hire, but now that project is not coming, so closed cancel kind of thing. So these are the indicators what current status of position is. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, go to next, and we'll create again one more field. The next will be again pick list value. And this will be of type. So now we are going to consider what kind of employment this position is offering. Either it is offering full-time, so one will be full-time employment, full-time, then part-time, then internship, then contractor. Yeah. Make contract as contractor. So this is going to indicate, no, don't make first one as a default value. Yeah. So this is something which is indicating what kind of position it is, right? Whether it is full-time or part-time, internship, contractor, right? Okay. Now again, create new pick list. Guys, hope you are able to create these fields in your org. Is there anyone who is not able to create the fields? Do let me
For,
know if someone is lagging behind.
for now, we're not doing. We're just following what he's doing. But as you are teaching us, we can't be doing it at the same time. So after you finish, then before we try our hands on it, that is what my opinion. That's what I do it.
Okay, but I was expecting you guys to do it in class itself. Uh, we can go a little slow if required, but because what happens if you create the fields in class itself, then you might face some kind of issues or errors which I can resolve then and there itself. So
Okay,
that
then if after you give us some time, then we do it because whilst you are teaching us, so we can. For me, I can't follow it. I can't be practicing it at the same time.
okay.
Unless,
So
yeah,
okay. So hope you have logged into your org.
yes.
Yeah. So please create now this new field. Go to pick list and create this field and let me know if I'm going faster or if you're facing difficulty. Okay. New pick list. Give it a name. Functional area. Functional area. Okay. Now click on second one. Yeah. Put first value finance. Second, human resources. Next, information technology. Next, retail operations. Next, warehousing. Next, miscellaneous. Okay. So now here you check on the checkbox display values alphabetically. Yeah. Now go to save and new. Hope others are able to follow now. Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, Sham.
Yeah. So hope others are able to follow me. Or is
Yes,
there
sir.
anyone? Okay. Go to next field. Save and new. Now again we'll create one pick list value, and this will be job level. So it will be for finance FN hyphen 100, capital F capital N hyphen 100, then FN hyphen 200, FN hyphen 300, FN-400. Same for HR, HR-100, HR-200, HR-300, HR-400. Same for the information technology, IT-100, IT-200, IT-300, IT-400. Same for retail operations, RO-100, RO-200, RO-300, RO-400. Same for the warehousing, WH-100, WH-200, WH-300, WH-400. Same for the miscellaneous, MC-100, MC-200, MC-300, MC-400. Yeah, same and new. Okay, now go to your position object record. Yeah, create new. Now you can see other fields which you have created. Click on them and see the drop down. If you are able to see all those things, right? You are able to see them, right? Or is there anyone who is still not able to see them? But here what's happening? Check for functional area, click on functional area. Click on any functional area. Yeah. Even though she has selected information technology, but she is able to see FN function function level, right?
Mhm.
That should not come, right? If
Mhm.
someone is clicking on finance, then only job level of finance should be there, not IT, right?
Yes, sir.
Mhm.
So let's create this functionality.
Mhm.
Okay. So
Okay.
go back. Yeah. Click on details. No, back details. Now you can see all the fields. Now fields, and again go to fields and relationship. And up you can see there is new up buttons, new deleted fields and dependencies, field dependencies. Click on field dependencies. Now click on new. And what will be the controlling field? Functional area. And dependent field will be job level. Continue. Now in finance, what job level you want to show? FN12, FN1002, FN400. So double click on that. Yeah. Similarly for human resource, HR, for information technology, IT, for warehousing, WH, for warehousing, WH, sorry, miscellaneous, right?
Oh,
So,
miscellaneous.
yeah,
Yeah.
go down, MC, down, yeah. For warehousing, WH,
Oh, retail is.
Okay, retail. Okay.
I,
Then go up next.
next.
Yeah, click on next. Yeah,
Warehousing.
warehousing WH. Now go down and click on save.
Okay.
Now go back to your position object, refresh it. Click on functional area. Click here, job level.
I'm not able to click.
Select anything else. No, any other functional area. Check any other functional area. No, go down.
Oh, function. Oh,
Yeah, yeah.
no.
Sorry. Could you please refresh it again? Okay, so there is some issue. Go back to your field dependency. Click on it. Edit. Yeah, it's not selected. You had to do the double click. Yeah, got it.
Mm-hmm.
That's why I ask people to perform the steps in class, because they might miss the required steps. Okay, now you saw what happens when you miss it, right?
Mm-hmm.
Others, are you able to perform the same step? Hello, am I audible?
Yes, son.
For others,
Yeah,
yeah. So now you are able to perform those steps which Sonakshi is
yep,
performing.
yeah, I can perform.
Great. Now you can see the magic, right?
Mm-hmm.
So now tell me, how easy it is to create these fields in Salesforce?
Yes, son. Easy.
Now we are going to see. So you guys are able to see those fields, right? The new fields which we have created, the location, right? The type and everything.
Yeah.
Status and everything you are able to see, right? Or is there anyone who is still facing any issue?
No,
Any
sir.
query? Okay. So let's go to next. Now we will see for how long one position is open, right? We'll calculate if any position is open, then since how long it is open. Now, if any position is closed, then for how long it was closed. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
So for how long it was open. So let's go to again to your fields and relationship. And we'll create new field. And this time we are going to create formula field. Go top third. So we are going to create a formula field which will calculate for how long one position was open. Yeah. Next. Give it a name, days open. Now, return formula, return type. So it will be the number of days. So it will be a number. Go down, select number. Yeah, we can have it as 0 as well, because this will be days, right? So this will not give us any decimal values. So you can put it day 0 in drop down. Yeah. Next. So now tell me, you have open date field, right? You have close date field, right?
Right.
Right or not? Open it. Yeah, you have open date field and you have closed date, closing date, right? Close date field. Now tell me how you will build the logic to calculate since how long or for how long one position was open. What could be the logic?
Close date minus open date.
Sorry, could you please come up again?
So closing date minus open date.
Great. Yes. So closing date minus open date will give you the number of days for which the position was open. And if the position is not closed date, if closing date is not there, then what would be the next formula to find out this?
Current date
Current date minus open date.
minus the open date.
Yeah. So we are going to apply the same logic here. Okay. So let's go and click on this advanced formula top. Yes. Now, first of all, what we will see, whether there is closing date or not. If there is closing date, right, then it will be closing date minus open date. If there is no closing date, then today minus open date. This much is clear with everyone?
Right.
Yeah. So in right hand side, you can see some functions.
Mm-hmm.
So here, if there will be if function, double click on that. And just below that, you can see the description, if logical test, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mhm.
This is going to give you the idea. So if there are three things, right? After if, logical test, value if true, and value if false. So there will be a logical test which we are going to put whether closing date is there or not, that we are going to check in closing date. And if that is there, then value if true or value of false. So the calculation, whether it's today minus open date or closing date minus open date, that will come in value if true or value if false place. So now we are going to check if closing date is there or not. So delete it. So there is one function which checks whether there is any value on a field or not. That is called is blank.
Is blank.
Double click on it. Yeah. So now is blank, and now on which field we are going to check it? It is on closing date, right? So remove expression. And there is on top, there is insert field. So select your closing date, insert. Right? So if closing date is blank, then what should be the formula? Today minus open date, right?
Mhm.
Right or not? Everyone.
Right.
If closing date is blank, then what should be the formula?
Current date minus the open date.
Correct. So for current date, remove it. We have one function named today. So go to function, go below, down, and check today. Yeah, double click on it.
Mhm.
Minus. Again, go to insert field and select open date. And if false, that means if closing date is already having some value, then what will be the formula? Closing date minus
Closing.
open date. So you can copy closing date, or else you can put it minus open date. Now this is it. That's it. Right? Now check syntax. So this will give you any syntax error if there is any. So there is no syntax error. Now you can put some description over there. Now next. Next. And save it. Now go back to your record, any of your record, and see if you are getting days open. Days open one day, check it. Now check it why it is coming as one day. Go up, check closing date. Yeah, it's 26th. Now it's 27th. So 27 minus 26 is one day, right?
Right.
If you change the open date to any past date, like 1st of Feb or something, no, open date. Make it 1st of Feb or something. Save it. Now you can see, right? Put closing date. Any closing date or past. Yeah. Now see, just calculate, subtract your opening date and closing date. Closing date minus open date. How much it comes. So guys, do you think it's easier or not? Hello?
Yes,
With
sure.
the formula field, the
Yeah.
calculation, sometimes the formulas, that is where I had a problem with it. Let's say if you are doing, if let's say, you know, and you're making payment on loan too, sometimes they give you the due date. So how to do the calculation, how to get it in the insert to get the exact data, the exact figures. That is where sometimes the key, the command that you normally do it over there. So I'll be trying it much then see if I can.
Yeah, you can just try and let me know. And that's the using formula field. It's simple logic which we built, right? It's very simple logic. If the closing date is blank, then use today minus open date. And if there is closing date, then use closing date minus open date. That was a formula which we used. So we need to build our own logic. So for that, you need to go through the formula field, look into all the functions. Its description is given below whenever you select any function, and you will get more idea about each and every function over there, right? Now let's try one more thing using little bit help of formula field. Now, whenever any position gets open, we want the hereby date should be auto populated with some default value. Okay, we want like that should be today plus 90 days. The hereby date should be whenever anyone is creating any new record, new position record, hereby date should be today plus 90 days. How we are going to create? Go to your hereby field. And go down, up, edit, go down. Yeah, there is one thing called as default value. You can see default value, and there is show formula editor. Click on that. Now tell me how you're going to put the logic of today plus 90. Tell me. Anyone? You have already seen how we get the value of today. How we get the value of current date. We used the same in last formula, right? Previous formula we used. So tell me how we are going to get the value of current date. Correct. And we want to have it today plus 90 days, and what will be there? Plus 90. That's it. That's it. Check the syntax and save it. Now go back to your position record. And now we create new record. Now go back, scroll down and see higher by date. Check if it's today plus 90 or not. It's today plus 90, right? Guys, everyone is able to see that?
Yeah.
So now you can also see how easy it is to put any default value. If you open it tomorrow, it will show 29. Whatever the current date would be, plus 90 it will do, and it will populate it by default. So now you saw how we can calculate for how long any position was open, how we can populate default value, right? You've also seen how we can create any pick list value. You have also seen how we can create any dependent pick list like functional area and job level, right? For finance, only FN should come. For information technology, only IT should come. How we can do that, you have already seen, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
So any doubt, any query so far?
No, sir.
For others? What about others? Frankie, any doubt? Jerry, Tanu,
I'm
Emmanuel,
I'm
Rudolph,
okay.
We're good. We're good.
I'm good
and,
too.
and were you guys able to follow up now?
Yeah, but I haven't finished, so I'll continue with.
Great. So I'll request everyone to follow the steps in class itself, so that if you face any difficulty while completing any task, then you can raise it then and there itself, so that I can help you to resolve it. Okay.
Okay.
And in next class, we will see, we have put min pay and max pay, right?
Yes, sir.
But currently you can put min pay greater than max pay. Is it really logical? Create one new record. Create one new record. Put put position name, and then try to put min pay as greater than max pay. Min pay as more than max pay you can put. Yeah. Yeah, any lesson number, and try to save it. That is allowing me to save, right? Right? That's allowing me to save record.
Right.
But is it logical?
No, sir.
No.
So we have to restrict it.
Mhm.
So we'll see how we can restrict it. Okay? How we can tell the user, no, you cannot put the min pay greater than max pay. Min pay should always be lesser than max pay or equal to. That's possible, but not lesser than, not more than, right? So that we'll see in next class. And please create 10 more records today on position object, so that you get familiar with it. Try to put closing date, try to remove close date, change open date, and see how your days open field behaves, right? The default value which we have put as 90 days, change it to 60 days, 30 days, and then create new records, see how it behaves, right?
Okay.
Create records with different status, right? Different type,
Okay.
different locations. Try it out and see how it works, right? The more
Okay.
you try these all things, the more you will understand the application and its functionality.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. So any doubt, any query so far? If no, then let's close today's class and tomorrow. Okay. Let's
Okay.
meet tomorrow, and request you all guys to please try all the steps. Please complete all the assignments, right? Only you need to create 10 records. That's it. That's the only assignment you have today. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, guys. Thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye.
Thank you, Sean. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah. Bye.